Ito mga boss, 10-wheeler freezer van, 6UC 1 engine, manual transmission, loaded chrome, ayun o, with side door. New arrival po ito. Ayan, nasa kanang pamanibela. New arrival. Ito kanyang odo. Manual transmission with monitor, and then with back seat na rin, at saka may mga kurtina na rin siya oh. Ayan, may mga kurtina na. Tingnan natin yung kanya. Lakas. Lakas. Yan, 10 stud. Super sariwa. Sariwa chassis. Super sariwa. With AC/DC socket. Sariwa mga boss oh. Single differential with small toolbox, with lifter, aluminum body, wala siyang damage. Ito loob niya, may blower pa dito. Double lock. Walang damage yung body. With side door. Oh. Ayan, sobra sariwa niyan. Ang likod. Sariwang sariwa. Oh, may libre pa kadena. Yun, talagang sariwa. Original body. Turbo King. Sub engine. Fuel tank, isang malaking fuel tank, 400 liters, sakto na with AdBlue. O yan, medyo against the light lang. Ito po, 10-wheeler freezer van.